I'm telling you, this is one of those projects you try once and then you end up making 3 of them. Simple, beautiful and super adaptable. You're going to love this crochet hat. I really like folded brims like this one. They give the hat a nice shape and make it fit snugly on your head. And you can play around with it too. If you prefer it a bit shorter, just fold the brim up more. If you like your hat longer, leave it unfolded. It'll adjust perfectly to your style. Before we get started, let me quickly show you the basic idea so you know how this hat is made. It's crocheted sideways, not from the bottom up, but in rows across. That's what creates this lovely ribbed texture that's stretchy and so comfortable to wear. So grab your crochet hook and let's get started. I'm beginning here with a chain of 48 stitches. I'm using a yarn from Grindle. It has a beautiful color gradient. I've also worked in some leftover yarn from my last shawl, which gives the hat its own unique look. I'm using a size 5mm hook, US GR8, UK 6. As always, you find all the info from the yarn and hook to the written pattern down below in the video description. And since I don't want anyone falling asleep, I've already prepared a foundation chain so we can jump right into the first row. Skip the first chain and start with 4 slip stitches. Make sure to crochet them loosely so you can easily work into them later. Then make 4 single crochets. Mark the 4th single crochet. That way you'll always know where your single crochets start, which makes counting much easier later on. Now work 39 half double crochets. One into each remaining stitch to the end of the row. And since I've got a bit of time here, I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who supports me, for your kind comments, my channel members, and everyone who shares my videos. You're amazing. Thank you so much. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. From now on, I'll always work into the back loop only, in every row. Skip the turning chain as usual and make 39 half double crochets. You don't have to count, there are exactly 39 stitches until you reach the marked one. If you're using a different yarn, no problem. It's easiest if you use a similar weight and hook size as I do. These 48 chains will give your head a height of about 29 centimeters or 11.5 inches. If you'd like it taller, just start with a few more chains. For a shorter head, make a few less. Now we are back at the marked stitch. Work 4 single crochets, then 4 slip stitches. Be sure to crochet those slip stitches loosely so the next row won't be too tight. Chain 1 and turn. Make 4 loose slip stitches, skip the turning chain as usual. Then 4 single crochets, mark the 4th single crochet again so you don't have to count every time. Then make 39 half double crochets. Because we are always working into the back loop, this beautiful ribbed pattern appears. You'll repeat these 2 rows until your head is wide enough. It's always 39 half double crochets up, then 4 single crochets, 4 slip stitches, and back down, 4 slip stitches, 4 single crochets, and 39 half double crochets. Since the slip stitches are short and the half double crochets are tall, the top of the head will naturally pull a little, giving it a nice shape. Repeat this pattern row by row until your piece fits comfortably around your head when stretched. Mine has 47 rows in total. When your head has reached the desired width, it's time to sew it together. Cut the yarn leaving a long tail. You'll use it for sewing. Tighten the last loop to secure the end. Now sew the 2 sides together, stitch by stitch. I'm working through the back loop on the one side and through the starting chain on the other, 1 stitch at a time. No special stitch, just go back and forth one side to the other. Before I show you how to close the top, I want to thank you again for crocheting along. If the video helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you shared it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Pinterest, your blog, or even in a video. That helps others to find it too, and it means so much to me. Thank you. To close the top, I'm using a separate strand of yarn. Thread it through the top opening all the way around, weaving in and out, just by feel. Once you've gone around, pull the ends tight and tie a double knot on the inside so everything stays secure and won't come undone. Now just weave in the remaining ends and your hat is finished. Thanks again for joining me. See you next time and lots of love. Yours, Andrea. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you watched it all the way to the end.